The Tornado 20-inch wall fan is expertly designed for outdoor use, offering exceptional durability with its water-resistant IPX4 rating. Constructed from robust materials, it features a rust-resistant grille and a high-quality motor for reliable performance. This fan provides 3 adjustable speed settings, ensuring optimal airflow, with a maximum delivery of 4,750 cubic feet per minute. Installation is straightforward, with minimal tools required, and it can be easily mounted on a wall or ceiling. The fan's innovative design minimizes noise, making it suitable for both residential and commercial environments. Its sleek and functional build is perfect for patios, warehouses, and other outdoor spaces where effective cooling is essential.